Very fun. Bluetooth, it's fun. Yeah. But I don't know why it says insufficient funds, but we are in on my phone. Let me pull down my tripod because that's in my way. Maybe one more account, but there's gonna be 6 different videos. This is the early bird part, and I could have been recording videos that are gonna come out as one long video soon. So yeah, do not disturb. Yeah, joining on it. What did my friend want me to join? I'm gonna see them because I'm gonna try to see what they're trying to do. What the heck? Nope, not playing that game. Only still playing it. I'm not playing that game. Should be crap. Sorry, I didn't mean to end off your other iPad. Let's all stay in my server just in case, because you never know when Sammy's gonna do it, because I missed it last Saturday, because I thought, oh yeah, it was gonna be at 2 o'clock, then he started to do it early, so let's stay in there. 18 minutes. Just skip to about 1 minute or when Sammy says early bird, because I don't want to miss it. So that's why I'm starting it 20 minutes early, because I don't want to miss it. So yeah, I have cords. I'm ready for this event. Go to, if you want to see this at my setup, go to Unfiltered Panda Poker, because I'm going to currently record short for over there through the YouTube app. I'm currently recording another video because today's my longest recording day. I've been recording non-stop for like the past since like 8:30 a.m. and now I have to make it go longer. And this is my setup. 3 iPads, 3 accounts. I'm ready to get the strawberry elephant. Yeah, you're too unfiltered. I should have posted these on the second channel, but Unfiltered is gonna be like my shorts channel now. Panda Poker 2 is going to be extra videos. New video soon. Yeah, I'm currently recording it. So once you find it, please subscribe.
Cocofanto Elefanto.
El Cocofanto Elefanto, not the right thing. Yeah. And now it's just the waiting game. Yeah, let's go. I hope I get this slap on my main and on my 2 other accounts. the secret lucky block. Make sure to like and subscribe to all my channels. I changed the my main channels my channels box ups. It's gonna have all of my channels that I'm gonna use, like, yeah. Then towards after Pat Ben, which used to be a secret account, I decided I'm gonna use that account now for some videos. After Poco 5, those are channels I'm not gonna be using anymore. Or like Manatee Music, Panda Poco Updates, or Gamer Panda. I've lost access to those channels. Or at least I think so. I thought then I found some on my old phone. Dang it. I lost the channel. Why are you guys two here? I don't know. Why did two people just join? I didn't know. I was just looking on my other phone and then two strangers joined my private server. While I'm trying to wait. I'm just uploading this raw 3 different videos, 6 videos. This is the early bird. Phone is number 3. And because I'm hoping that Sammy, since it's early bird and he does usually give out secret lucky blocks, that he's going to do the secret lucky block, like adds the new best thing to secret lucky block today. I thought I was going to have a show, because I'm in a play. I thought I was going to have a play that I'm gonna have to be there by like 4 p.m. But nope. Thank goodness. That got me scared for like a few days, but then I realized, oh, I'm just thinking wrong. But nope, I have time. I'm gonna have to somehow finish the event. I'm gonna start it home. If it starts at 3:15, I can't do it, because that would be too long. Because no delays, please. I wish I could have them all on one video, but the video is the last parts of it are gonna be the reactions. Because I've only reacted to some videos, have to react to one more. No, I'm gonna have to upload it Monday night. Okay, that's fine. Monday night. Homework. Please, no homework. Pro player. Our server's restarting. I'm just shutting down every single server right now. No. Shut down. Don't. Server V2. V3. Ooh, secret lucky block. Job. What the heck? If it shuts down, that's fine. I'm just gonna get my account set up just in case. If the server restarts, that's fine. No new lucky box. 0.5. Still a lot secret for me. I'm rejoining F at 52. No. Don't close my ear. I'm taking off my AirPods for a sec, because they're dying. Let me put on the Pros.